Final evaluations. Number Jimenez Alcocer Newton Levin. Index Introduction Globalization Advantage and Scopes. Disadvantage and Rage Exam 1 Interculturality Exam 2 Conclusions. Introductions. My interest lies in how globalization equips of one's cutting edge technology about anti-Semitism. Interculturality gives us a moral compass. As a future engineer, I must understand thus sustainability is a balance act between universal norms and the local reality, which is the basis of my professional approaches. Advantage and scopes. Globalization is the interconnection of markets and technology. A crucial advantage is the standardized methodologies in AI and the transfer of cutting-edge technologies. This allows environmental engineers to adopt global technical criteria with predictive models, improving the quality of studies and mitigation pollutions. Disadvantage and range. A critical disadvantage is the interdependence exposes us to extractive pressure and environmental dumping. This means that demands global markets contrive the overexploitation of natural resources. It is our role and migration is asymmetric and perfect or country environmental sovereignty. Examples: Globalization is reflected in the adoption of AI software's advantage, the use of internationality and sourced atmospheric dispersion models. This ensures that environmental impact assessments comply with global methodological standards, improving pollution prediction and migration. Interculturality. Interculturality is a dynamic process and respected and horizontal interaction. Its advantage is that it generates social legitimacy with interacting ancestral Quechua scholarship about inter-territorial in technical solutions. This ensures dialogue intersocial mobility in the projects and prevents social environmental conflicts. Example: Country in the workplace we are on the policy on certification as an establishment with interculturality. Indigenous peoples, which involves revaluation traditional medicines, the Quechua language, clothing, and the Belin's other ancestors. Conclusion: As a future environmental engineer, my commitment into articulates global technology with intercultural aid. I must ensure that international standards adapt to the Peruvians' reality, guarantee and prioritize environmental justice over profits. Thank you.